Honk.
It was a really awesome trip. Thank you, Mooney.
I had a great time, too. I'm just bummed I didn't have time to get a photo of the caveman.
We'll come back again, Jules, I promise. I really like the museum as well, because I learned lots of new things about your world.
What to do? Do. What to do? Hey, what's wrong, Baby Joe?
Oh, Baby Joe left Mr. Pig behind. He's still in the museum. Ooh, anybody here? Oh, no.
It's closed already?
Oh, no, that ain't happening. Mr. Pig is not going to stay in there all night.
Chili Pop Chibble.
Now that's rad.
Mr. Pig? Mr. Pig? Oh, phew. There you are. We were all really worried about you. Come on, time to go home now. We'll come back again when it's open. I promise.
Mooney! Now Jules is missing!
What a waddly do. Where has he gone?
What's going on?
Jules, what are you doing? You can't just go running off like that without telling us.
I just wanted to take one last photo. I'm sorry, Mooney. But I don't understand why my camera's not working.
Let me see if I can help you with that. Chili Pop. There you are. I've even improved it a little bit for you. From now on, your photos are going to be larger than life.
Wow, you're awesome. Thanks, Mooney. Yay. Ha.
Honk!
Larger than life. I didn't mean it literally.
Honk!
What do we do now, Mooney?
Yeah, he doesn't look very nice.
Huh?
Take another photo, Jules. It'll reverse the spell.
Honk!
Oh?
Hey, you, give me that back.
Ooh, honk! Honk!
Oh, no. If he starts taking photos, he'll wake up the whole museum.
Oh, no. I'm getting the camera back.
Chili Pop.
Chibble! Oh.
Honk! 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 Honk!
Quick, let's run after him.
Honk! Honk! Oh,
There he is.
no! Honk!
Phew. I thought Honk had taken a photo of the dinosaur. This is not good.
Mooney, we've got a little problem.
Tinkling fairy bells. We're going to have to fix that.
Huh?
Chili Pop Chibble!
No, Mooney, they're not fish bones.
Oops! Chili Pop?
No, that's a bird.
Chili Pop?
Nice try, Mooney, but now it looks like a dragon.
Mooney, if I were you, I'd look at the sign first.
Huh? It shouldn't have wings on it. Chili pop, chiboo!
That's it!
Now we have to catch up with Honk fast!
Honk! Honk? Honk?
What's going on?
Oh, I think Mammoth's been in a photo session.
Mooney!
Chili pop, chip. Chili pop, chiboo.
Honk! 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 Honk!
Chili pop.
I get it, Mooney. Honk must be afraid of your wand. Hold on. Let me have a try. Don't be scared, Honk. My name is Jules. Those guys behind me are Lola and Baby Joe.
Hey! Jules is right. It's not complicated. We just need to talk to him. Would it be at all possible for you to give the camera back to Jules, if you please?
Honk!
I don't think he's understanding you.
We have to find another way to communicate.
You Honk. Me, Lola. You give this thing here that takes photos to me.
Honk! Honk!
Baby Joe, where are you going?
Of course! What a good idea! We just need to draw and he'll understand.
Awesome!
Over to you, Mooney.
Chili pop, chiboo!
Wow! I'm the best in my class at drawing.
Are you sure? Let us try it. Ready, Mooney?
Honk!
Wow, you're really good at painting, Honk.
There. And a little here. Oh no, we were almost there.
It might not be a lost cause. Chili pop,
Honk!
Hey,
Honk! Honk. Honk.
Thank you, Honk. That's very nice of you.
Honk. Honk.
All right, it's getting late. It's time we took one more photo of our friend Honk.
Honk. Honk.
Okay, bye then, guys. It was awesome meeting you.
Yeah. Let's take a photo for the album. Say cheese.
Honk.
Can we come back and see them, Mooney?
Yes, of course we can. Come on, we've got to get going.
No, Baby Joe. Not the wall.